Apps to earn PayPal money. Are you looking to earn money online but worried about scams? Well, here's the scoop. PayPal earning apps have got people buzzing. But can you actually make PayPal cash with these apps? Stick around to find out. Ever dreamed of getting paid for playing games or watching videos? Your dreams just came true. We've rounded up the best PayPal cash-earning apps that make making money a piece of cake. Get ready to discover legit and realistic apps that'll have those PayPal digits rolling in faster than you can think. These apps work wonders on both iOS and Android devices, no matter where in the world you reside. Ready to dive in? Let's discover how effortless it is to rake in the cash with these apps. It's easier than you think. 1. Viewfruit. Alright folks, let's kick off this money-making extravaganza with our first jaw-dropping option, Viewfruit. Get ready for a double whammy because they've got a user-friendly website and a survey app that'll blow your mind. Here's the deal. Once you join, prepare for a flood of survey invitations to come your way. But don't just rely on those emails, my savvy friend. Take a peek at the website every now and then because there are hidden survey gems waiting for you. Trust me, it's worth the extra click. Now, here's the cherry on top. When you've earned a mere $5, you can cash out via PayPal. It's as simple as that. But hold your horses, there's more to this treasure trove. Viewfruit spices things up with a thrilling, lucky draw where you could snag some seriously fantastic prizes. Talk about adding some excitement to your survey-taking journey. 2. Freecash. Next option is a real gem. Not only does it have a slick app for all you Android aficionados, but it also caters to iOS users with a nifty browser version. Talk about flexibility. But here's the real kicker. Precache is one of the highest-paying get-paid-to sites out there. It's like a treasure trove of opportunities. Lucrative paid surveys, enticing offers with sky-high rewards, and even a chance to conquer the daily leaderboard and walk away with amazing prizes. Plus, they welcome members from almost every corner of the globe. No one's left behind. With just a $5 threshold, you can claim your hard-earned cash. And here's the cherry on top. Once your account is verified, the payment lands in your PayPal account quicker than a shooting star. 3. Swagbucks. For third options, we're diving into the realm of one of the most sought-after get-paid-to sites, Swagbucks. Brace yourself for some serious money-making magic, because Swagbucks is here to rock your world with its sensational app, available on both iOS and Android devices. Now, here's the scoop. Swagbucks opens its virtual doors to eager participants from around the globe. There's a little twist. The Swagbucks app might not be available in every nook and cranny of the world. In some countries, it may offer limited earning methods. But by visiting Swagbucks' website on your phone, you can unleash a plethora of earning opportunities that'll make your head spin. Let's talk about its rewards. Depending on where you are, the threshold to score PayPal cash may vary, but it typically hovers around the $5 mark. But Swagbucks doesn't stop at PayPal. They've got a fantastic array of other payout options that'll suit your fancy. You can rake in the rewards by taking paid surveys, switching the web, and even playing games. It's a smorgasbord of earning potential that'll have you coming back for more. 4. Toluna Influencers. The next option we're about to unveil is Toluna Influencers, the ultimate paid survey site for all you opinionated folks out there. If you are someone who loves sharing their thoughts, Toluna Influencers is about to become your new best friend. It's one of the most user-friendly survey apps out there, designed to make your survey-taking experience a breeze. Here's the real kicker. Toluna Influencers welcomes participants from around 60 different countries. That's right, they've got a global reach. When it comes to getting paid via PayPal, the exact threshold may vary depending on where you're located. Typically, it falls somewhere between $7 and $10, but fear not, because Toluna Influencers has got your back with a plethora of other exciting reward options that cater to your specific country. Think fabulous gift cards and more. It's a seamless, easy-to-use app that lets you earn a little extra simply by sharing your opinions through paid surveys. Toluna Influencers is the gateway to expressing yourself and pocketing some sweet rewards along the way. 5. App Karma. App Karma, the ultimate app for all you mobile game enthusiasts out there. Get ready to level up your gaming experience and get paid to do what you love. Here's how it works. After joining the app, you can dive into a world of exciting games. App Karma offers a special feature called Playtime Games, where you earn rewards for every minute you indulge in your favorite games. It's like getting paid to have a blast. And the best part? Once you've racked up a modest $3, you can cash out via PayPal. But wait, there's more! In certain countries, App Karma goes above and beyond by offering a plethora of other payout options. Oh, and here's a little secret. If you join App Karma through an invitation link, you're in for a real treat. You'll receive a whopping 300 points as a welcome bonus. 6. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie, our next app, is about to revolutionize the way you earn a little extra dough. Say goodbye to mindless scrolling and hello to the world of paid surveys. Here's the deal. Survey Junkie is a top-notch paid survey app that's designed to be super user-friendly. It's the go-to app when you're looking to score some extra cash effortlessly. And once you hit that $5 mark, you can cash out via the PayPal magic. But Survey Junkie is exclusively available to those residing in the United States, Canada, or Australia. So if you're not lucky enough to call one of those 3 countries home, fear not. We've got a lineup of alternative options to keep your money-making journey alive and kicking. So, my friends, if you're ready to dive into the world of paid surveys and unlock the potential of earning a bit extra, Survey Junkie is the app for you. Just remember to check your eligibility based on your country of residence. It's time to join the survey revolution. 7. Pawns. Get ready to unlock the power of your unused internet bandwidth with Pawns, the ultimate app that lets you earn effortlessly. But that's not all, my friends, because Pawns is about to take your earnings game to a whole new level. Pawns is available for both computers and smartphones, making it a versatile option for all tech enthusiasts out there. Imagine earning passively simply by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. It's like turning a dormant resource into a money-making machine. Introducing the more active way to boost your earnings, paid surveys. Pawns has expanded its horizons and now offers paid surveys in numerous countries. This means you can actively participate, share your opinions, and watch your earnings soar. No matter where you reside, Pawns welcomes you with open arms. They've made it possible for anyone, regardless of their country of residence, to join and start earning. Now, let's talk about cashing out. Once you've reached the $5 milestone, you can choose to receive your hard-earned rewards via PayPal. But wait, there's more! Pawns also offers Bitcoin and a range of exciting gift cards tailored to suit the specific country you call home. 8. Ysense. Last app we're about to introduce you to, the grand finale of our Get Paid To Sites extravaganza, is Ysense. It isn't just your average Get Paid To site. It's a powerhouse that offers an incredible range of opportunities to line your pockets. And they've got an app for both Android and iOS devices, ensuring that you can earn wherever you go. Ysense is all about paid surveys, and do they have a lot to offer? Imagine yourself diving into a sea of high-paying surveys that will have your earnings soaring. You can earn cold hard cash by playing games on your phone. It's like turning your downtime into a cash-generating frenzy. You only need to reach a minimum of $5 to cash out your well-deserved rewards. And speaking of rewards, Ysense offers a smorgasbord of options. Fancy a PayPal payment? They've got you covered. Prefer Pioneer or Skrill? You're in luck. And let's not forget about the array of enticing gift cards that await you. These 8 options are the real deal, tried and trusted. While they won't make you rich, they're perfect for some quick cash on the side. Join as many as you like and keep your expectations in check. Remember, it's all about that extra boost. If you found this video inspiring, smash that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more exciting opportunities.